It is my great pleasure to welcome you to the University of Warsaw, where we can have the honor to host the Warsaw Dialogue for Democracy. It's a renowned annual conference organized, what I've been told 12th time, by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, that once again brings in a distinguished group of experts from around the globe.
I think that this is a special momentum that you have been visiting us to give the lecture, to show what is the influence of new technologies, of artificial intelligence on democracy, on everything what has been going on.
Of course, it's not a coincidence that the European Dialogue for Democracy is happening in Warsaw, when in Poland, do as Poles do.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pleasure to be back here in the Polish capital and at this distinguished university. Warsaw and indeed Poland have been central to so many of the defining trends, struggles, and moments of European history. I express my gratitude to you, Professor Novak, and the University of Warsaw. As the Warsaw Dialogue for Democracy, and there are other partners also who have been involved in this, has for over a decade now been able to set a focus on a number of crucial issues for Europe and the world community.